Hey traders, Jeffrey here again with you from Strategic Day Traders. Here is another quick recap of the trades from yesterday. I posted these in the evening around 7 p.m. 8:18. We had two longs and a short. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Those were both long entries, and then the short was the US dollar and Japanese yen. On the first one, we really, and just as a recap for all of you, when possible, I like to take a look for longs to get a pullback back to the lower envelope or channel line. So in this case, we were right in the middle, okay? 8:30, I'm watching this for an hour or two. Really no pullback at all, looking like it's heavily overbought still. So no entry, okay? I did not enter on this one last night. In the morning at 6 a.m., or is that a little bit later, 6:30 a.m., we did finally see our nice pullback. Good place to enter right over here. First exit right up here just inside of that supply zone. Waited for a cross on, let's switch it over, the 15-minute. We made a switch for the linear regression moving average and pulled that down right when we crossed under the linear regression moving average. We came out with our runner. Could have stayed in, and as you can see, we're still going up, but we never get greedy on this, and we had a nice, quick, easy 42 pips. Now let's take a look at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. In this case, at around 10:30 last night, I did decide to get in at market. Looked like we bounced off of our demand zone, kept down to it, came down to it again, and I decided to get right in, let that run, put my first target right about here, got out at 6:30 this morning, and rode this and watched it all the way through the day. I actually switched this one to a 5-minute and got out right when we crossed under the 5-minute moving average, linear regression moving average later in the afternoon. And we banked about 65 pips here. The big winner is the dollar yen. I love my yen pairs. When they move, okay? Last night at about 8:30, we were at the edge. We were overbought. This is a classic, perfect parabolic setup. Get right in at market. Let that run down. The initial target at the bottom of the envelope was hit about midnight, and then continued to let that run. Automatically switched it to the linear regression moving average runner and came out at about 3 a.m. when London's run pretty much was over, okay? That was a great over 300 pip run for a total of over 400 for the three trades overnight and through the day today. So if you haven't had a chance yet, please take a look at strategicdaytraders.com. You can get all the information you need. You can email me directly, and I'll get you a sample of the Telegram public channel that you can look at my trades, and hope to see you in the group.